A simple paperclip, costing mere pennies, once held the power to disrupt global commerce. This unassuming piece of bent wire became an unexpected symbol of focus and efficient design. Understanding its principles can unlock incredible productivity in your own busy life. What makes this tiny object so effective at guiding our attention? It boils down to a brilliant psychological hack that leverages our innate desire for order. Imagine a cluttered desk, a chaotic mind, and the struggle to accomplish just one task. The paperclip offers a tangible, simple solution to overwhelming complexity. Its power lies not in advanced technology, but in a deep understanding of human psychology. Think of it as a physical anchor for your intentions, a tiny beacon in a sea of distractions. This method taps into a core human need to categorize and complete tasks one by one. It's like having a personal assistant who whispers, "Just this one thing, then you're done."
The core mechanism involves isolating a single, manageable task.
You take a paperclip and assign it to that specific goal you need to achieve. Place the paperclip in front of you, a constant, visible reminder of your commitment. Now you focus all your energy on completing that single, designated task. Only when that task is fully finished do you move the paperclip to another designated spot. This physical act creates a clear boundary between completed and pending work. But that's not the strangest part of this simple technique. The visual cue of the paperclip actively combats mental drift and procrastination. It breaks down large projects into bite-sized, achievable pieces. Each completed task feels like a small victory, building momentum and confidence. Imagine this process repeated throughout your day, creating a cascade of accomplishments. Wait until you hear what comes next for its wider applications. This focused approach drastically reduces decision fatigue and mental overload. It prevents the feeling of being overwhelmed by too many competing demands. The brain thrives on clarity and concrete steps, which the paperclip provides effortlessly. It's incredibly effective for anyone struggling with multitasking inefficiencies. The simple act of moving the clip provides a satisfying sense of closure. This ritualistic behavior reinforces productive habits over time. And then something unexpected happened with its widespread adoption. Professionals found themselves tackling daunting projects with renewed vigor. Students used it to conquer complex study assignments without feeling lost. Creatives employed it to push through writer's block or artistic challenges. The beauty lies in its universal applicability across different fields and goals. It's not about working harder, but about working smarter with laser-like precision. The cumulative effect of these small, focused bursts is remarkable productivity. Think of the hours saved by avoiding constant context switching and distractions. This method transforms chaotic to-do lists into clear pathways to success. It empowers you to take control of your time and attention effectively. The impact is a profound increase in both output and personal satisfaction. You gain a sense of mastery over your workload and your day. This simple tool fosters a more deliberate and mindful approach to work. It's a tangible representation of progress and focused effort. The paperclip technique proves that powerful solutions can be incredibly simple. It reminds us that true productivity often comes from focused intention. By isolating tasks, we unlock our true potential for deep work. This method helps you achieve more with less mental strain and effort. The psychological reward of completing each paperclip-assigned task is immense. It fosters a positive feedback loop, encouraging continued focused effort. Your ability to concentrate and complete tasks significantly improves. This technique is a testament to the power of minimalist productivity strategies. It allows for sustained concentration without the burnout of constant juggling. The clarity it brings can significantly reduce stress and anxiety about workload. You discover the satisfaction of finishing what you start consistently. This isn't just about getting more done. It's about feeling more in control. The paperclip becomes a physical manifestation of your discipline. It's a silent partner in achieving your most important goals. This method teaches the invaluable lesson of prioritizing single tasking. The cumulative result is a more efficient, effective, and less stressful workflow. By focusing on one paperclip, you conquer your entire day, one task at a time. If this simple yet powerful technique resonates with you, subscribe for more practical wisdom. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use this paperclip method. Consider liking this video if you found it helpful in boosting your focus. Subscribe for more practical productivity hacks, and let us know what you'd like to focus on next.